I'm Patrick Stone. I'm with the Technical Support Branch. I want to talk to you a little about intervals. An interval will show up over here in your linear geometry, or if you had made this pipe section as an alignment, it'll show up over there too. It'll say interval on the end of it. Problem with this is down here in your profile view, you're going to get an offset. Um, like if we wanted to show the proposed template here, we can use we'll do this real quick. Just show that. And see, we're showing the proposed template, which our section is not long enough at this point. So what we'll do is we'll extend these. Alignment. So you can see these grippers stuff on here. This is the way the alignment's intended to be modified. We can move this out, and for this example we're just gonna we'll move it out here past this because we want to get about 100 feet on here. But where people run into trouble is when they start using the trim to element and stuff, the microstation commands for these. We'll extend this out the best we can. We'll grab this bigger. We'll just move it down here again with just some microstation snaps. Okay, and you can see instantly what the problem is. See how we've got and you'll have to use the refresh to see this. But if I move this line out, and I just keep moving it out here, say I wanted to get it to 150 foot for whatever reason, and you refresh this, you'll see that this alignment, and what it's doing is it's starting the ground line right where the beginning of this original line was placed. And at this point, if you come over to your geometry, you're going to see that it's an interval. And that's done because we did not extend it with the handles. What we did was we used microstation to extend these. And you can see right here on the end, if you have an interval, it's going to show with its block right here on the end, and you know you've got problems. It's going to cause you trouble in pipe sections, any of your geometries. Um, but I think we can simply fix this by there's several ways to do it. You could drop this and and then it re-import as a geometry, or you could I think you can simplify geometry on it. We'll see what that does. So if we simplify the geometry, see how it got rid of that reference element, and it also moved your both of your views back to where they should be. So you're recentered, and then we can just come here and remove intervals, I believe. Let's see. Okay, and now you're back to a good alignment. So if you see with your ground line offset, you've probably made it an interval, and this is how you go back and check it. If you've got any other questions about this or any other problems you're running into with ORD, you can email us here at CAD Support. We'll be happy to answer your questions.